right, see how it goes. Probably doesn't even look steep on the drone, but it is really steep. Basically tail drag steep. All right, next section. Okay, now it gets steeper. Okay. All right. Survived. All right, now the steepest part is coming up. This is really sketch. All right, last time I kind of tail dragged on the way down. Let's see if I can. Oh, tail's touching! Fuck! Getting faster! Shit! Alright. Get it under control. Fucking heck. Tail drag! Damn it! Shit! Oh! Fuck! I made it! Holy shit! That was sketchy as fuck! Oh! Holy shit. That was... Holy shit, I'm so far down. Alright. There you go, a little MOSFET test right now. I should have, you know what I'm going to do here? So I'm going to cheat. And oh, I don't have the remote enabled. Fuck. Alright. Let's just finesse my way up here. It's gonna get steep right now. Yeah, I should change the ATR a little bit. Intensity, let's do 9. Let's see, apply settings now. While we're riding. Did that work? I think so. Couldn't feel anything, maybe not. But here comes the steep part. MOSFET's probably climbing. Still okay, 50, fine. Alright. So close. Alright. Getting there, I'm getting there. Wanna walk, don't wanna walk. No, come on. Fuck. Now this is practically stalling your motor. Damn it. God. A little bit more. Alright. Here we go. Oh, okay. Alright. Holy shit. I love how you can accelerate up the hill though. Let's see what kind of ATR we got. 6 degrees of ATR. Traction is always the biggest challenge on these uphills. If you hit some bumps, super easy to lose traction. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. That was so sketch. Oh, fuck it. I was, at one point, because I was faster than last time, I like full on tail drag and I felt like I had no brakes. But like 2 seconds later, I got brakes again.